Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to search multiple values in Excel. Friends, sometimes we need to search a large number of data with multiple values. In this video, I will use a simple formula to get the required results. So for example, I have taken a data of candidates applied for a job. In this data, I am searching for computer operator having experience more than 4 years and living in Jaipur and salary less than 30,000. For my this search query, I am only getting one positive result. Now here in search results, for positive result it will show yes and for negative it will show no. Now if we change Jaipur to Delhi, then search result will automatically change. Now it is showing two positive results. For large data, you can also use filter to make a list of all the positive results. Now it is showing only the positive results. So like this, if we change our queries, it will show different results. Now for example, I search for DTP with experience more than 10 years, living in Delhi and salary less than 20,000. Now it is showing one single positive result. So friends, like this you can very easily get your required search results by using a simple formula. Now I will delete the search formula and retype it. Now we need to type equal to, then if, open bracket, and select the required searching post, then lock the cell by pressing F4. Now press equal to and select the cell from which you want to search. Type comma. Now select the required experience cell. Lock the cell by pressing F4. Press less than icon and select the cell from which you want to search for experience. Press comma. Now select the required city cell. Lock the cell by pressing F4. Press equal to. Now select the cell from which you want to search for city. Now press comma. Now select the required salary cell. Press F4 to lock the cell. Now press greater than sign. Now select the cell from which you want to search the salary. Now close the bracket. Press comma. Under column, type yes. Press comma. Now under column, press no and close the bracket. Press enter. Now drag the formula to your complete list. So now as you can see, it is showing a one positive result, and if we change the criteria, it will automatically change the result. Now it is showing a different positive result, and if I change the complete search criteria, now friends, as you can see, now it is showing two positive results, and by using filter we can very easily make a list of all the positive results. So friends, like this you can very easily search multiple values from your large Excel data. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.